Okay, so let's continue reviewing the methods of the SpineHelper class. So the next one is hideBone. And this method allows us to hide a specific bone so that it's no longer visible. And one example of this is, for example, if you have a character and if for any reason the head gets impacted by a bullet or something like that, you can programmatically hide the head so that it appears that it went away because as a result of the hit by the bullet or something like that. So that's why this is useful. So let's see an implementation of this. So in order to do that, we need to have a bounding box drawn around the bone that we want to hide. So in this case, I'm going to use the head as an example. So let's see what we need. So let me copy the settings of the method. And let's say that after 5 seconds, I want to hide the head, something like that. It's very slow because I have Spine open. So let me quickly show you where to get the elements for the method. So let's go back to the SpineHelper class. So here I need the slot bone and the bounding box slot. Okay. So here I need the slot name and the bounding box slot. So if I go back to Spine for a second, if I want to hide the head, what is the name of the slot? So here we have the head bone, but I see two slots. One is the bounding box slot one is the slot for the bounding head, for the bounding box head, and the other is the slot for the images. So all I want to do is hide the image, not get rid of the slot or the bone or anything. So the slot that we need is the slot that has the images. So in this case, the slot name is head skin. So this is going to be the slot. So let me take note of that, head skin. And the other element that we need for the method is, let me go back to the editor. The other name is the bounding box slot. So the bounding box slot is this one over here, BB head. So this is the bounding box and this is the slot for the bounding box. So let me take note of that. And with that, I think we are ready. So let me close Spine because it's making my machine very, very slow. Okay, so here I am back with the editor. So let's apply the method. So let's say that after 5 seconds, I want to hide the head. So let's do that. So the slot name, we saw that it was the slot where the images are located. So this is head skin. And the name for the bounding box slot is BB head. So let's run the project and see how it looks. And let me see, let me get rid of, well, let me set debug to false so that it is a lot clearer for you. Alright, so debug is disabled, so let's see. So here we have the project running, and after 5 seconds the head went away. And the reason we are seeing the bounding box is because I have the opacity set to to a certain number. So let me see if I can get rid of that. So, and this is changed here on the method that is creating the bounding box. So it should be here. Yeah, here's the draw bounding box method. And this is the alpha for the bounding box or the polygon. So let me set this to 0 and run the project again. So after 5 seconds, the head is gone. Let me enable debug again so you can see that just the image went away, but the bone and the bounding boxes are still there. So let me set debug to true. And let's take a look at the project. So here we have the head. And then it's gone, but I still have the reference to the bone. And the bounding box is no longer visible because I set the opacity to 0 or the alpha almost at the end of the method. So let me set it to maybe 0.1 and disable debug to false. So it's gone and you can barely see the head, but now you know where to change that setting. So that's it for this video. So let's continue with the rest.